If you already have your layout drawn accurately in another CAD software, you can convert that layout from either the DWG, DXF, or DWF file format to the Vertex BD native file format, then reference it into the Vertex BD layout and trace over it. To open a file, I'm going to go to the main menu and select Open File. I'm going to navigate up 2 levels to the Shared folder, and inside the subfolder called Pics, we have an example DWG file for the tutorial. I'm going to change the file type to the DWG file type, and here we can see the tutorial1 layout.dwg. I'll click Open, and then we'll be prompted to convert this file using a predefined converter that allows you to map different layers, line types, fonts, and so forth from the DWG elements to Vertex elements. You can also choose from a list of saved converters, which you can customize on your own. I'm just going to stick to the default converter and click OK. Now the file is opened in Vertex. I can save it as the Vertex file by going to the main menu and selecting Save As. And we're going to choose the 2D drawing VXP. I'm going to navigate back up to the Shared folder, go into Projects. We'll go into our Tutorial1 project, and in there we have a subfolder called REF. It's convenient to keep your reference drawings inside this REF folder so that they stay with your project. Then I'll click the Save button. Now we can close this file. We've already saved it, so we can click No here. And then we can go to the Reference menu and select Reference, Drawing, or Model. Now I'm going to navigate to that file in the REF folder. Click Open. We can enter a description for this file. We can choose if we want to select the location of this layout, or if we uncheck that, it will align the origin marker on the reference drawing with the origin marker here in the Vertex layout. Use Reference Color will make the reference drawing a bluish-gray color so that you can tell the difference between what's on the reference drawing and what you actually have drawn on your layout. You can choose to have the reference drawing on one individual layer, or keep the individual layers on the reference drawing by choosing the -1 default layers. If you have Freeze Reference Drawing checked, then the image on your layout will not change even if the original file is modified. And you can also choose if you want to have all your layers visible or just selected layers. And finally, if you want to discard the raster images that are on the reference drawing. I'll click OK, and then the reference drawing will appear on my layout.